Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am comparing three powerful tools for saving and organizing content such as Wakelet, Pocket and Raindrop. First, let's look at a Raindrop. This is a Raindrop website. In Raindrop, we can create to start Raindrop. We need to create an account. I have already made mine, so let's jump right in and explore how it works. In Raindrop, we can create collection to save our links. For example, if you want to give the top 10 collections, add one URL. In this way, we are going to add the collections. We can also view the collection like this. Views the collection. Then also we can create the nested collection in the collection. So there is also some of the features like select, rename, change icon, share and delete. We can also share the website. There is a two collaboration and public page. Next one is list types are available like this. Raindrops also allows to create let's talk about some limitations of Raindrop. Raindrop does not support offline reading, unlike Pocket, which is a more of read later tool. It can save a broken and invalid links. It also save the broken links. Also saves the broken links. And another issue is duplicate link. Raindrop doesn't warn if you save the same URL. It doesn't warn if you save the same URL again and again. This is about the URL. So Raindrop is great if you want a powerful book manager with excellent organization features. But if you need a design tool for actually reading and saved content, that's where the Pocket comes in. Let's come check it out. To start using Pocket, we first need to create, and I have already made mine. So let's jump right in and explore how it works. In Pocket, we can save articles, videos, and web pages to read later. Unlike Raindrop, which focus organizing bookmarks, Pocket is designed for distraction reading. Pocket uses tags. Such, for example, let's say one URL. One item is added. Here, the limitation of the Pocket is we cannot directly save links into a specific location. Here we have to movies or colleges. Added this in top 10 movies. Pocket can feel a little slow when loading multiple articles, and it does not support nested collection like Raindrop supports for nested collections. Then we can the extra features of the Pocket is we can discover others collection without any permission. They can make it if they make it in public, if they give it in a public. So some of the collections, some of the collections are available in Pocket. Now so Pocket is perfect if you want a simple way to read, save and play. But what if you want a tool combines both organization and collaboration? That's where Wakelet comes in. Let's explore its features. As we see the website, Wakelet offers very good GUI. So here, this is the collection of mine. Next, if you want to create new collection, click on plus icon. Give the collection name. Here we are going to the collection name. I'm going to give top 10 movies. paste the URL here. Is going to add it. One thing about this is there is no preview features. We can export the YouTube videos and upload files in a PDF form. This is all about the Wakelet, and you can also share your collection. You can make it as a public or a private. Some of the sorting options. Then explore it. Wakelet is a bit different form of Raindrop, and instead of just saving links, Wakelet allows create collection with mixed text image links. In Wakelet, we can create collections, add in various types of content. One of Wakelet's best feature is collaboration. You can invite others to contribute your collection. Wakelet doesn't have a dedicated offline reading mode like Pocket, so you need an internet connection to view saved content. It lacks in an advanced tagging system, which makes organizing large collection harder compared to Raindrop. It's more curation tool than a bookmark manager.